wants. And on the line holding, we have Aaron from Osaka. Welcome to the program, Aaron. And what is your question this evening?
My question is an insurance question. I've been paying 4 years on insurance on my home, and I just bought it 4 years ago. And the roof, I got 4 or 5 leaks in it. So I turned in the claim to my insurance company. They came out, took pictures, looked at all my roof, and they said they can't do nothing with it because I let it go too far.
So, yeah, thank you so much for your call there. Seth, anything you want to add to our caller's concern?
Yeah, we would need to know a little bit more information. I mean, why exactly, other than just letting it go too far, did the insurance company deny repairing the roof? Was it something that that maybe a roofer had done to cause some disrepair prior? Was there some kind of hail damage or natural disaster that the individual did let sit for too long that caused more damage? Typically, though, I mean, a lot of times we'll see that insurance companies will deny claims just if they think that they can get away with it. So that's not always the case. If you have a valid claim, that roof should be repaired. Call an attorney, go sit down with an attorney. You may have to get a roofer out to go inspect the room, or a home inspector to go, look at the roof, see what actually is there, and then see whether, looking at your homeowner's coverage and the contract that you have with them, whether it should be covered. And that's going to be the first step, is just gather more information, see whether they actually should cover it, and then if they don't, then file a lawsuit against them and make them pay it.
All right. Thanks so much for that response.
Hey,
So
Tamika,
obviously, do not give up.
I just want to chime in, if I can.
Oh, I
This
didn't
is
hear-
why we
okay,
pay for
go ahead.
insurance, and I see it every single day. People call me and they say, "Hey, Mike, I've been paying for auto insurance, and they're denying my case," or in this instance, I've been paying homeowners insurance, they're denying my claim. Insurance companies, they're in the business to make and save money. They don't care about me, they don't care about Tamika. Everything they do is a business decision. That's why you need to level the playing field. You need to get a lawyer on the front end so that they can go to bat for you. So in this case, absolutely, I'd hire an expert. I'd let them come out, say what happened, when it should have been reported, and I would absolutely file a lawsuit against that insurance company for you. So again, don't let these insurance companies take advantage of you. Get a lawyer that is willing and capable of standing up to them. It's truly so important in this state, especially.